Hi, and welcome to Hands-On at Home with the Peoria Riverfront Museum. First, I would like to thank all of our members, our Visionary Society members, and all others who continue to support and engage with the Peoria Riverfront Museum. My name is Holly, and I am the Every Student Initiative / Group Tours Coordinator here at the museum, and today I'll be demonstrating how to make plastic milk at home. What I have up here on my table is all the materials that you will need for plastic milk. So I have a cup of milk, vinegar, a tablespoon, a regular spoon, a strainer, and a shallow container, which is where we're going to mix our ingredients. If you have them, it might be a good idea to wear safety glasses for this experiment. What we're going to be doing is we are going to be taking our cup of milk, which is already pre-measured. We are going to warm it up in the microwave. You're going to want it to be warm, but not boiling. So about 1 minute in the microwave is all you need to make warm milk, but not boiling milk. Once you have your warm milk, you're going to take 4 tablespoons of vinegar. I've already pre-measured tablespoons of vinegar in here. And once you have that, we're going to pour that into our milk mix, our warm milk, and start to stir. What we're going to start to see is the milk separate and form clumps as the vinegar gets to work in the milk. We're seeing it start to clump. It's gonna look kind of gross, but also pretty cool. You'll do this for about 1 minute until you start seeing larger clumps. And once you see enough large clumps, we will put this through the strainer. I'm going to give it just a little bit more. We'll put this through the strainer to separate the liquid from the solids. Now that we have this separated, we're just going to continue to push all the liquids out. At this point, you're just wanting it to dry out. You can also take some paper towels and squish the liquid out. I'm not doing that here, but the less liquid you have, the stronger your plastic is going to be when it's dry. It's going to be a little bit like Play-Doh in terms of moldability. So if you have cookie cutters or other shapes that you would like to make it into, you can do that. So I'm going to just flatten it to kind of a pancake. Like that. And you can shape it, and then you're going to wait several days for it to fully harden, and it'll be more plasticky. This is an example of plastic milk after about 30 minutes, and it'll just continue to harden from there. Now that our plastic milk is made and waiting and hardening as we speak, why did that happen? So what happened is when milk has proteins called casein in it. When milk is heated up and added an acid to it, like vinegar, which is an acid, the molecules, the casein molecules, separate and become long chains. These long chains of casein molecules are called polymers, and they can be scooped up and molded. That's why jewelry that's made out of milk is called Casein Plastic, and it's used to create things from beads or handles of brushes or anything that can be made out of plastic can be made out of Casein Plastic. If you liked making plastic milk with us, please tune in to another episode of Hands-On at Home with the Peoria Riverfront Museum. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.